All right, welcome back. Doing another one. Man, I only have like 1 or 2 more drawings of this to make this year. I'm so excited. Whew, we're going to make it. All right, we're going to do this saw blade thing here. All right. So you should see on your sheet, let's draw some circles. I'm going to go radius for everything because it's just easier. And make sure you have your file open where you have your questions at the bottom to make your life a little bit easier. So, first one, 1 inch. Second one, 3 inches. Final one, 4 1/4. Got that? 1, 3, 4 1/4. 4.25. Okay, next thing you gotta do, you gotta take a line and make sure your polar is set to 10. You're going to go up at 20 to hit the circle, or you can go beyond it if you feel more comfortable doing that. And go ahead and just click on that. So 20-degree line. Okay, hit line. You're going to hit the quadrant right here. I'm going to zoom in just so you see this a little better. You're going to draw a line up that says 110. Okay, that should be a perpendicular line. Go ahead and click that. Okay. Now, you may now erase this outside circle and trim this, and this, to where you have this little thing right here. And you're going to be scratching your head like, how is this going to make a saw blade? Well, we're going to do an array. I'll show you. AR, just like we've done 100 times this semester. Click this, press enter. Polar. Choose the middle. 6 is default. You want 18. Press enter. Look, it's a saw. Don't cut your fingers. That would be bad. So there you go. You got the outside done. Wow, that was easy. Okay, we're going to do another line here with a funky angle to it. But this time, I'm going to hit tab. So I've done this once before. If you press tab, you see how your numbers go back and forth. I want the angle to be 28. Press enter. It'll automatically shift it for you. Okay? So we'll do that one more time just in case you missed it. Hit line. Hit the middle. Bring it out, past, that'll be easier. Tab over, 28, done. Okay? Need one more line. This one's at 60 degrees, which you should be able to snap onto. Right there. Okay. I need 2 circles there, and they are both 0.25 radius. If you want to copy it, you can. I'm just going to do it again, because that's easier. Okay, 0.25 for both. You may now go ahead and erase, not trim, erase those 2 lines there. Okay, now I need to do a circle from the middle of this to the quadrant of this, do that perpendicular line right there, and do it again where I click the middle. I'm just bringing it out. 2.75 on the inside, it looks like. Outside, if you want to know that one, that was 3.25. Okay. I need to put something else on here before I finish this up, so don't erase anything yet. So I need to do a circle on the middle one that is that is 0.5. And I need to do another circle on the bottom in that middle circle that is also 0.5. Okay? Now, trim. Trim that. Trim that. That. Erase that. Now I can go ahead, I can erase these 2. So get your stuff cleaned up first before we do the next array, the final array. You done? You got it? Good. All right. Let's do an array. Click this right here. Press enter. Choose polar. Choose the middle. Change 6 to 4. Almost done. There it is. Okay. The last thing is this little tab right there at the bottom. That would be considered a locking mechanism on the saw. So all I'm going to do here is draw a line straight down from the bottom quadrant of the circle, point 1, 2, go to the right, point 125, draw that line straight up. I'm just going to go past it a little bit, hit line again, go to the left, point 125, go straight up, trim. Okay, I'm not going to give you all the answers in this one, but I'll show you what I got on my boundary, just as a review. Okay, we're going to flash back to the first few weeks. We're going to do an area command. AA, hopefully you turn this into a boundary first. AA, add area, object. Choose my object. Press enter. Subtract area, object. Click on the things I am clicking on right now. Press enter. There's my answer, 42.3617. 43.3617. So I'm going to double click on this. There's my question. So make sure you're paying attention to which one you're on. 367. So go ahead and put those on there. Now you're not done yet. I'm not going to let you off the hook this easy. So once you get this done and all your questions finished, here's what I want you to do next. Hit size A. Okay. Double click on your middle screen and double click on your scroll, and there it is. I want you to scale this to whatever scale you need to. I'm going to guess 1 to 2. Yep. Okay. Problem 1, that's fine. Go ahead and change your scale to 1 to 2. Press OK. Now you're finished. Of course, you're going to have your name on here, not Amanda Hug and Kiss. So this is one sheet. Okay. Now, here's what you're going to do. Once you have your sheet done, you're going to hit Move or Copy. You're going to create a copy. Press OK. It'll do a new one down here for you. That'll be for your next drawing. Now, if you want to make your life easy, which you do, you could also right-click on these and go Rename. You call this one Problem 1. That way you know which one it is. I'm not going to make you do that, but just a suggestion. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and load this one, and I'm going to do another drawing with you guys here in a moment. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this one, and I'll do another one with you here in just a moment.